Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 10, chapter number 18 I am teaching you. Name of the chapter is Indian National Movement. So, student, take out your book. All of you open page number 109. We are solving the book exercises of the chapter 18, and student, you complete the book exercise in your book. In classwork copy you will write question answer of the chapter and you will draw the diagram. So open page number 109. Question number A, tick the correct answer. So question A is MCQ question, and these questions we have already completed in our book. Now let's start with the question number C. Question number B. The dash was started in 1914. The dash war started so the dash war was started in 1914. So at the time when the Indian peoples they are struggling for their freedom against the British administration, at the same time in 1940 what happened? The First World War started. Okay, the First World War started in 1914, and in this First World War many Indian soldiers they also fight in the First World War. Many soldiers at that time which are in British Army they fight for in the First World War in 1914. First World War in 1914. Second question. Gandhi ji returned to India in so Gandhi ji returned to India, and Gandhi ji is coming from which country? South Africa. And in which year Gandhi ji returned to India? In 1915. And Gandhi ji gives a new direction to the freedom struggle. Okay, so in 1915 Gandhi ji returned to India and he gave a new direction to the freedom struggle. Next, third question is the dash took over the reins of the British Empire. Third question, the dash took over reins of the British Empire. See, so the British, they send their representative in India to see the British administration in India, because after the revolt of 1857 the administration of India comes in the hands of British. Now the administration in India is of a British people. So Viceroy is the representative to he take the full control of the British administration. Okay, The first session of the first session of India National Congress was held in dash. So at that time, when the peoples of India, they are struggling for their freedom, so there is a only political party at that time is India National Congress. So the first session of Indian National Congress was held in India. When we saw the first time the political party of Indian leaders, that is Indian National Congress, we have saw this in the year 1885. In the year 1885. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a social dash. So in that past time there are some social reformers who strongly protested against the social evils of the society. So student, Raja Ram Mohan Rai was a social reformer. So in the past history of India, there are some social reformers, and Raja Ram Mohan Rai was also a social reformer, and they strongly protested against the social evils, जो समाज में जो बुराइयां थी, strongly protested against the social evils of the society. Now question number C. Question number C. Write true or so for the given statement, after reading it, we have to tell whether it is a true statement or it is a false. Gandhi ji so student, the first statement is गांधी जी रिटर्न मतलब वापिस आना होता है, कहीं कोई गया होता है तो वहां से फिर जब वापिस आता है तो उसी को रिटर्न बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो गांधी जी रिटर्न फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड, सो दिस इज अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. This is a false statement. What is the reason for that? The reason is that Gandhiji returned to India in 1950. And from where of which country he returned to India in 1915? That is from South Africa. The name of the country, South Africa. And here it is given England. So that is the reason this is a false statement. Second one, the Indians favored the partition of Bengal. So student, in the Indian favored the partition of Bengal. So in that past time, when the people of India, they become very angry with the British administration, so the leader of the extreme party, because National Congress is also divided into two groups, leader of moderates and next one is the extremes. So they demand for the complete freedom of the country. So at that time, student, British administration thought that let divide the Bengal so that they can break up the unity between Hindus and Muslims. So this is a false statement. In this it is given the Indian favor the partition of Bengal. मतलब इंडियन चाहते थे कि बंगाल का पार्टीशन हो जाए. सो दिस इज ए false statement. Okay, and for this they have done a boycott of the foreign goods, and publicly they burns the foreign goods. Is it clear? This they have done in the past history. Now, third one, the Indian National Congress the Indian National Congress was started by A.O. Hume. It is written in shortcut. Okay. Full name you already know, Alan Octavian Hume. So, yes, student, this is the right statement. This is the right statement. He was an Englishman who started Indian National Congress in the year 1885. So, student, this is the true statement. Only thing is that here his name is written in shortcut. Okay. Next, the British were very harsh with Indians. The British were very harsh with Indians. So, student, yes, this is a true statement. This British people, the people of India, are totally not satisfied with the rule and laws of the British administration. Even Indian peoples are working in their army and police and many other jobs, but equality is not giving to them, and many other things which I have already discussed with you, that they force the farmers also to grow indigo plants. They don't allow Indian traders to open their own mills. So they the British were very harsh to Indians. Yes, this is a true statement. Next, the boycott of foreign goods was called Swadeshi Andolan. Yes, the boycott of foreign goods was called Swadeshi Andolan. Yes, this is a true statement because when British people decided to do the partition of a Bengal at that time, a huge bonfire has been done and publicly मतलब सबके सामने openly this thing has been done in past. They burned the foreign goods and that is the reason that boycott is also known as स्वदेशी आंदोलन. ठीक है, अब इंडिया के लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि फॉरेन की चीजें लेंगे ही नहीं, अपने देश की चीजें यूज करनी है. क्लियर? So note down the book exercises. Now student, take out your classwork copy and let's start question number D, short answer questions. Take out your classwork copy. See, okay. Question number D, short answer questions. Where and by whom was the Indian National Congress formed? Okay, where and by whom was the Indian National Congress formed? So the Indian National Congress was formed in 1885. Okay. So, student, the Indian National Congress was formed. The Indian National Congress was formed in 1885 by an Englishman, Alan Octavian Hume. Okay, thank you, student.